Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to put long bio on your Instagram. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel with notification on for future videos. So let's start this video now. So first, open your Instagram and go to your profile picture and click at your profile picture, which is at the bottom right corner. Now remember, before you can add a long bio on your Instagram, you need to change your account into a business account. So for this, click on the three line at the top right corner, go on settings, account, scroll down and click on switch to professional account, and then click on continue, and search business over here, click enter, then go on business services, press done. And if you don't want to fill this up, then you can just click on don't use my contact info, which is below next. And then if you don't want to connect it with your Facebook, then you can just click on skip, which is below login to Facebook button. And then boom, your account has been turned into a business account. Now you can just go to your profile picture and click on edit profile and add however long bio you want. I'm just typing whatever I want to show you guys, like you can put however long bio you want. So I want to set this as my bio. Now after clicking on this, I can just click on the tick mark over here and then press the tick mark again, as you guys can see on the more. So yeah, this is my bio and it's pretty long, as you guys can see. So that's how you set a pretty long bio. If you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.